Hi guys, happy Friday. It is a beautiful Friday in SF today, and I just got to work. I'm sitting in my car in my building's parking lot, and it's the first time that I am going into work in like 5 months, I think. 4.5, almost 5 months since March. So I'm like really excited, like low-key I couldn't even sleep last night. I don't know why. I was just like something new, like this is like a new experience in months. So I'm so happy to like be here and to like see my office again, because for like 3 years it was like my home, my second home, you know, my home away from home. So yeah, I really missed it, and I missed the people a lot too. But today, like, it'll just mostly be me. Like, it'll be very empty because we're still in shutdown. So it'll be a very empty office, which is good because we need it to be like cleaned and safe and vacant. But I have my mask that I'm gonna be wearing, and so I just need to get some work done like on site. And yeah, I'm just gonna go get some coffee and some breakfast, and then I will show you the Airbnb office. I am so excited. This is something that I've been thinking about doing, like just like a little office tour for a while. So let's get started with our day. So I'm just gonna try to give a quick tour from here. I'm on the 3rd floor. This is the lobby down here. The entrance was back there, and this is our signature green wall. Over here is our main cafeteria space, which is now closed because we're not having food service for a while. So you come in, you enter the turnstiles, you take the elevators, or you walk up the stairs to the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th floor. And yeah, I mean, let's see, I try to get some meeting room shots, but we have a lot of open working areas, and we also have a lot of cafe, like micro kitchens and mini cafes, such as this one, for people to grab snacks, coffee, drinks. There's usually like fruit, an occasional box of donuts that people buy. So there's a couple of these cafes on each floor. And then it goes into our desks, which is open desk configuration. And we have a lot of, like I said, like work areas, like these, they're called hideouts, yeah. These hideouts that you can pull the shades down for privacy. You can have like casual meetings in here. And we also have these are called caves. They're like very small, single or double person occupancy rooms for meetings. And then we have larger rooms, which I will have to find one. Oh, I'll show you the Airstream down there. It's pretty cool. Oh, here's a room. So this is Washington, D.C. So all of our rooms are named after listings on Airbnb. So this is a room. They stacked all the chairs over there, but our video conferencing, some some designs, and this is the Airbnb that it's designed after in Washington, D.C. And yeah, our atrium is so nice. Lots of natural lighting, which is like the best thing about this building. We have, this is our Pepino. His name is Pepino, and it's like refrigerated. Well, it's like a cooler, I guess. Is that what it's called? Yeah, so on a bike. So the food team would put like treats in here and roll it around the floors and hand it out to people. These are standing working spaces called birdhouses. So you just pop in and it's like sound. There's like good, what is it called? Sound insulation or something. So we have more hideouts here. These are called camper tents, and this is where our recruiting team hosts their interviews. And this is the Airstream. So this is also a listing on Airbnb, and this is modeled after that listing. Here's the listing in Australia. Doesn't it look like it? With the tent here, and you can walk into the Airstream, have like a little coffee meeting or coffee chat here. There's a bed. Hopefully no one's really used it. I don't think the bathroom is open, but yeah, this is just so cute. It's a little stuffy in here though for meetings, so you gotta always keep the door open, but super cute. This wall here shows all of our older online experiences. I don't know if they're still active, but yeah, this is how we would promote online experiences back in the day. We just have like posters of them, and they have like a catchphrase, like the sculpting is sculpted in time. So it is currently 12:30 and I am starving because, as you can see, I didn't have breakfast today. I just like jumped into work, and so now I've been running around. I'm so hungry, and I went to get food for lunch. So I'm in a meeting room right now, and I'm just gonna eat lunch in here because like the decor is really cute in here. Let me show you. It's just like a little room with a couch and video conferencing, which we are not doing today. But I'll show you what I got for lunch. So I got a poke bowl. My poke bowl has some crab, cucumber, fried onions. I got salmon and yellowtail for my protein, and there's some white rice underneath too. And then I also got a caramel macchiato from Starbucks. So yeah, more caffeine. And then I asked them for some hot sauce, so just gonna put it on here. But you know, usually Airbnb provides breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. But since we are closed, or since we're in the shutdown period, there's no food on site, not even any snacks. So yeah, I was pretty hungry. Low-key getting hangry. And it actually saved me so much money in the 3 years that I've been here. Just eating all my meals on the weekday at work, except for dinner. I used to, when I first started, like the first year and a half or two, I didn't eat dinner at work at all because I just didn't want to stay at work for like 10 hours. But then eventually I just didn't even want to cook, and I wanted to like go work out after work, so I had to come back and eat dinner. So I would say I probably ate dinner here 2 or 3 times a week. But I would always eat breakfast and lunch at work. And I miss that. So I am sitting at a different building right now. But this building was actually where I first sat when I first started 3 years ago. So I feel a lot of nostalgia being here. I'm actually sitting at the same table that I sat at when I first started. So that was my seat right there. And in the morning I would come up the stairs, put my stuff down, go back there where the micro kitchen is to get some coffee, and then come back and do my work right there. So yeah, and it just feels so weird because here we are back where it all started. But yeah, I'm just taking a little admin work break before I have to go walk around again. Yeah, it's like so eerily quiet right now that I like want to go home. So I'm just trying to finish my work really quickly. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this building is, we don't get as much natural lighting as the first one, but it'll always be my first home. So yeah. Okay, it is 5 o'clock and I'm heading home, or I'm about to drive home. I'm so tired. Even though I didn't really talk to a lot of people today, obviously. I walked around so much. I walked around like 8 floors between 2 different buildings. So I'm exhausted. My feet hurt. But yeah, I'm going to my car and I'm gonna drive home. So, oh shoot, there's gonna be traffic. Oh no, because it's 5. Well, yeah, thanks for joining me at work today for the first time in a few months. The traffic's just only gonna get worse, so I think I'm just gonna head out right now. I guess that is pretty much the end of the day, the work day for me. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.